Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miras Pomalingo. Today we will explore the oral tradition of Tanggomo, a rich cultural heritage from Gorontalo. Tanggomo is not just a form of storytelling. It serves as a mirror reflecting the social life history and values of the Gorontalo community. In this presentation, we will discuss several important aspects of this oral tradition, including its definition and characteristic, its cultural and historical significance, in a critical analysis of how Tanggomo reflect local wisdom. Okay, let us begin our journey into the world of Tanggomo. And next, definition of Tanggomo. Tanggomo is a unique form of storytelling that originates from Gorontalo. The term Tanggomo comes from a local expression referring to the delivery of stories in the form of narrative poetry, that is rhythmic. This tradition is typically performed by a storyteller or singer who possesses the ability to capture the audience's attention through a distinctive storytelling style. Characteristic of Tanggomo. There are several definitions the characteristic of Tanggomo that we should know. Number 1, rhythmic delivery. One of the main features of Tanggomo is that stories are delivered with rhythm. The storyteller uses tone and intonation to add nuance to the narrative, while traditionally performed without a musical instrument. It is now often accompanied by traditional instruments like gambus or kecapi to enhance the beauty of the performance. And number 2, narrative poetry format. The story told in Tanggomo are present in narrative poetry form. This allows the storyteller to express emotion and meaning more deeply. The poetic structure often involves rhythm and repetition, making it easier for a listener to remember. And the third, flexibility in delivery. Although there is a certain structure in storytelling, Tanggomo is not bound by a specific number of lines or stanzas. This flexibility allows the storyteller to adapt the narrative to the context or atmosphere of the event. The storyteller can add elements of improvisations based on audience reactions. And next, emotional engagement. Storyteller typically engage listener emotionally, making them feel connected to the narrative being shared. Discrete and interactive experience where listener can feel every emotion expressed in the story. And the last, social cultural context. The stories within Tanggomo often relate to daily life in Gorontalo, including custom, moral values, and historical events that make Tanggomo an important medium for conveying knowledge and cultural experience. A well-known example of Tanggomo in the patriotic tale about struggle of the people of Gorontalo on January 23, 1945 against Dutch colonialism. In this story, the spirit of struggle and bravery among local heroes is conveyed impressively through meaningful lyric. And I will show you about example of Tanggomo, and this is the video.
Selama pemakendo sama-sama Dungo hilo mongobua Dila bopolo tutua wala omangohundua Polima opupulua Wanuala omodata Wi omamali mohata hialumota masasa didumo walipongata Wala ohi bubuyuhuta he odu he ngamuluka mongahi bubuluhuta adelo wala ilaluta ipo ito helohuta malohi pota tangguta putong ilalikanuta tilo mata la tondongo atibo moto hundongo awala ohiyo hiyongo biti biti lo ombongo hemonga tutulo bongo wala odipo ilonga atimahe opalonga bolo hiyo hiyonga hihe talonononga tilo mata pangingia malo uito utia tawewo hipongilia malo didu otuia wala omahundu wala mohata delo adala longu datala bolohu uhimangala odita unga hundua monga malo mohehua tilo mato petubua kandohi ayu-ayua tilo wamba ohuto didu opo talia bo motutu sambe toto dile bolo mindoto hui mahu huo ilo data lo wala susa uhe motonggala uhe dutola lo wala bulo moti haya mongabo asalima boloto lambi epa awatita mohuhula lo maso odede pula lo modanda bila lula lo otapu bendungula pilongala lo apula wala omadudula mango hidutola pola polango bohe hulia liamo dile malo mohuango malo hatalo koango todaster anda-andango ati olohia lumo didupo opio humo tobo londu-londungo kotombe alulungo boli huli hulotumo susa uhelo dutolo la tope itunggi olo kabe po ola itolo matutu berendiolo openu bodulu olo waupo ola watolo tango maila pato asali malo patato donggo mo hindu buai poli depe endamai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, cultural and historical significance. Tanggomo plays a crucial role in preserving Gorontalo cultures. Let's examine some key functions of this tradition. Number 1. Diverse entertainment. Tanggomo is often performed at various cultural events, celebrations, and festivals, for instance during wedding or harvest festival. Tanggomo becomes one of the main attractions that entertain guests while introducing cultural values to younger generation. And the second, education. Through the story presented, Tanggomo teaches for moral values to society, especially to younger audience. Many tales emphasize important themes such as courage, hard work, and unity among community members. And the third, information disseminations. In this past, Tanggomo served a means for convey current news and important information to communicate to communities. In the specific historical context, storyteller could communicate significant events such as war or social changes. And next, cultural identity preservation. In today's context of globalization, where local cultural are often threatened by foreign influence, Tanggomo acts are a reminder of Gorontalo cultural identity. Through this tradition, communities can maintain their connection with their ancestral heritage. And next, respect for ancestors. Many stories in Tanggomo relate to historical figure or ancestors within Gorontalo society. By narrating these tales to younger generation, communities can instill aspiration for their ancestors' contributions. And the last, intergeneration connection. Oral tradition like Tanggomo also serve as a bridge between older and younger generation. Through storytelling, youth learn about values upheld by their ancestors. Next, critical analysis. Now let's delve deeper into how Tanggomo reflects local wisdom. The first, social reflection. The tradition of Tanggomo serves not only as entertainment but also as a medium for social reflection within communities. Through the stories shared, listeners are invited to contemplate their social condition and challenges faced by their community. And the second, adaptation to changes times. While rooted in ancient tradition, Tanggomo has adapted to modern development. Today, many young storytellers incorporate contemporary elements into their performance without losing the original essence of the tradition. For example, some storytellers now use technology like videos or social media platforms to reach wider audience with their narrative. And the third, conveying local values. Each story told through Tanggomo contains significant local values crucial for Gorontalo society, such as mutual cooperation, gotong royong, respect for elder, and love for one's homeland. And the next, gender roles in stories. Many tales within Tanggomo also depict a woman's role in Gorontalo society. This illustration how women are valued and hold important places in both history and local cultures. For instance, numerous stories highlight women's courage in facing life challenges or their roles and connectors between generations. And next, community engagement. The delivery of Tanggomo often involves direct community participants. This fosters a sense of togetherness and solidarity among community members as they gather to listen to their stories. And the last, social critique through stories. Some narrative within Tanggomo also touch upon contemporary social issues such as a woman education or environment awareness. In this way, oral tradition not only preserves past tales but also provide critique regarding current social condition. And the next conclusion, the main points we have discussed. The first, the oral tradition of Tanggomo is a storytelling art rich in historical and cultural values. And second, it serves as entertainment, education, and information dissemination within society. And the last, this tradition reflects local wisdom that remains relevant today and has great potential for preservation in modern times. As we conclude, I would like to invite you to think more deeply about your role in preserving this tradition. How can we contribute to keeping the tradition of Tanggomo alive amidst modernization? Thank you. It's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.